hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a mukbang day, okay, and I've got some lovely food too, guys. Did you see it when it first started? Yep, I've got tuna, raw fish. I asked the man, what's the fish, because there's some fish I don't like to eat, and he said tuna, and I thought, so it got me free. So this is my one, the other one's my husband's, and the other one, I don't know if my sister will have it. And I got the curry. This is made by the same Fijian Indian man over in Old Mount Druitt. Yeah. Look at this, guys. The Tongans call it sipi, and we call it mamoe, lamb. Anyways, so, and I also have New Zealand's famous jam and cream donuts and African. I got this from Chrissy's at St. Mary's, 112 Station Street in St. Mary's, opposite the station, guys. I went there for some kinners, but I was a bit late to go to the kai drop. So I don't know, you know, like I try to go to this place. This is Old Mount Druitt. Shoot over to Chrissy's to get me these beautiful cream donuts and Africans, and hopefully to find other food. But then I thought I'll go to the kai drop. Well, I had just missed it. They closed the door on me. They said, "Ka pui whanaloa, ka pui whanaloa." So no kui, no kina today, guys. No kina. Yeah. You see the other one more kako me ai whapea. Anyway, I gotta say thanks, guys. Won't be long. Okay. And my drink today, guys, I feel like a little kid. It's a little popper. They call it here popper, but it's a box of juice from Golden Circle. It's Golden Pash. For your pash lassi, yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys are all well. Cheers. Yeah. Cheers, guys. I can see a council bill. My council bill. How dare those kids didn't put it away. Anyway, I better get stuck into my food, eh? And look at this. I got a baby size galo. Oh, it looks like a fatu. Just a heart, guys. Anyway. Oh, I don't know where to start. I want the curry, but then I think I'll start with this one. And look, they even put a little cute lemon in it. That's how I make my oka, guys. I cut up the lemon, chuck it in. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, bit oily, but it's alright, guys. That's called love. You see, I could say oil lunga the curry, but I gotta hurry up and eat it because it'll get oily. Oh, I can't wait to dig into this. See if I pay more yet. Oily tuna. Oh yes. Oh, look at that. It's got tomatoes, like spring onion. They outdone themselves. Yeah, you know what? I bought 3. I'm gonna go see if I'm thought I'm gonna take it, you know. Man, man. That's really nice. Hello. Tell me, how's everyone been? I've just been doing cooking. Oh, look at this. Look. Suck out all the juice off the bit. I like a bit of lemon, guys. I know. Yeehaw. You know what? I might just ruin the texture, eh? Because it's really yummy. But never mind. I heard lemon's good for you. Mm. I don't know what's good for you, but it might make me trim or something, you know. Mm. That already. Pero over the keyboard. Mm. 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 Gosh. But the sad thing is, I didn't bring the guy's address. It's a Fijian Indian guy. And I don't know if the lady was Samoan that was cooking other foods at the back. Mm. Right. It's Old Man Drip next to next to the Pizza Hut. No, not Pizza Hut. It's a Bello. Next to what? To the pizza place. No. Can't remember. Okay. Right. So what am I going to okay. Right. Selama ada 5% ni. So good. This is like having my own cô ngại. Chị đi phía con mẹ ai cô đồ mà vậy. Mà đẹp. That's it. I'm gonna try the curry, guys. As if I didn't know what it tastes like. It tastes yum. Hey, my boy. Ari ai cậu cá lời ya ari ai. You know how we make our curry, and it's the way we like it, and the way we're familiar with. This guy, he's a Fijian Indian. You know, real Indian curry. Man, so good. The curry. Lamb flap, guys. Nice. I know some people want to come and watch, and they're gonna go, what's she eating? But it's Poly food, guys. Poly food. I'm Fijian India. This is so awesome. It is so awesome. I should not squeeze that lemon in. Well, it's alright as it is. Had enough lemon. And then what does my guy do? I'll squeeze the lemon in. Poco. This is so lovely. This curry is delicious. But there's the lamb, guys. It's got a bit of blubber on it, but sometimes you just gotta enjoy it. Man, a little bit of oil. So they obviously didn't tip out the oil and then do the curry. No. They just want to fry it all in one go. Is there cooker? They're right. And a crunch bit on the end of the bone. Nice. Jeez. I really want to show you. Yeah. That's yours. Take a bite. And look at the carrot underneath here. Trying to sneak away. More carrot. I'd love to know how to make the curry, eh? I love to know. Ini buat ujung elok ialah apa? Dia macam. You know that song? I'm in heaven. He's my brother. Now be sure that I ate it. Oh, look there. Look at this lamb. Bite. Take a bite. And you know the top of the lamb, crunchy. Can you hear it? ASMR. No. Oh look, see, this is what I love about their curry. They have coriander in it. No. You know what? He has lamb curry, chicken curry, and also goat curry. I hope one day I don't accidentally buy the goat curry and come home and eat it. Oh, just goat. Better not be goat. Hey, he said it's lamb. It better not be goat. That's my temperature if it is goat. Tastes nice for a goat though. No, it's not goat. Well, I'm glad you guys are eating with me. Nice to have you with me. This food is too good, man. That top bit. It's tasty, crunchy, and delicious. Crunchy. So good. So good. I'm going to do my thumbnail. Right. It's going to be slightly rich. Rich. Oh, talking about rich. There was this one person who went and bought a Powerball and won $60 million. What would you do if you won $60 million? First and foremost, I will praise the good Lord if I got lotto. When I took my lotto last week, guys, I went to see what I had. So I give my lottery ticket, and we ping ping. I went $32.80. Second one, bing bing. I thought, wait, $14 and something cents. I thought, hello, where's the big one? And the lady said, get out of here, take your money and get it. Anyway, so I was happy. So I bought me another Powerball. Did I win? I don't think so. I don't think so. But anyway, hey, I was happy to get that 32 and 14. Done and dusted. Okay. So I'm gonna have this beautiful. It's fresh cream. Fresh cream. It's fresh cream. It's from Chrissy's Cafe in St. Mary's. Yeah. Have the first bite, guys. Nice there. Now, I like the cream just to be the way it is. You just get one layer. Even though this is a little fizzy, wiggy woggy. But as long as it's like one layer. If it's too much, it's too hard to eat and enjoy it because the cream is too thick. But this one, look at that. Just right. Guys, let me tell you something. I got 6 Africans, 6 of these beautiful donuts. And when I went to pay, the lady said, no, I didn't need to pay. Oh, jeez. I mean, no, I was shocked. I thought, what? Then I thought, have I already paid? And she said I didn't need to pay it. I thought, I was so shocked. She said that she's been getting customers, you know, through my videos. Oh, you guys are so awesome for going and trying them out, finding their shop, getting their food. Guys, see, it's called love and support. Anyway, she let me off. I could not. I've always been like that. I can never. I mean, I'm just shouting out their shops in the hope that I get good people like you guys to go and have some if you live nearby. That's all. That's all. So it was the thought that counts. It touched my heart. It touched my heart. Anyway, I'm so kind at first to offer it to me. But I thank her so much for even considering doing that for me. But I declined the offer. I had to. I can't. If it was a packet of chips like I told her, if it was one small hot chips, I would say, okay, I will accept it. Because it's only, you know, like cheap. But to take a lot, no, I can't do that. I won't feel good. I won't feel good. I won't feel good. It'll just no. And you know what? What's funny? My kids, especially my eldest, Damien, he won't really accept people's generosity. Anyway, guys, oh man, it was really nice of her to offer. You know these shops, that I shout out. This was the first one, Christie's Cafe. They offered something for free, and it was a lot. And there was no way I was going to accept it. No way. If it was just one donut, oh, maybe I'll say thank you very much, lady. But no, I'll take it away from her pocket. It's so nice, so lovely. I had me a second one. I don't know where to hide with these kids around here. They will snort out anything. I like how their lamb's cooked. When it's overdone, it's dry. So when you're chewing on it, it's dry. But I know they're trying to make sure it's cooked properly. So I think I'd rather have a bit dry and cooked properly than to be undercooked. Then it's tough. It's so good, man. So good. I've seen some mukbangers. It's like they're fighting with one another. Not a lot. Only a little percent of them. And I think to myself, that is so sad. Because, you know, be out there making your videos and showing people that, you know, it's good to try and pick each other up in this YouTube world. Not fight each other. It's ice and sugar. I don't know how we made out after last one. It's nice. So good. You know what, guys? This is a New Zealand treat, and it's so delicious. So, it was my niece's 21st last night. She got herself a key. Now she's free. Oh, it rhymes. She got herself a key. Now she's free. Got herself a key. Now she's free. Anyway, I didn't get a key, guys. So rude. I didn't get a key. My brothers, they got a key. Yeah, all my brothers. Even my cousin, first cousin, who is like a brother to us, even he got a key from my mum. Yeah, my mum went and bought all their keys. And me, and my sisters, oh hang on, my sister got a key. Excuse you. Beep beep my knuckle horny. My sister got a key. So rude. That's it, okay. You know why I didn't get a key? Because I had a child. So my mum said, nope. You already gave yourself a key and you took off and had a baby. But rude. Now getting a key in the Polynesian community, in the Polynesian culture, to get a 21st key from your parents is a blessing. It's a real honor to get it. Okay? It tells people that you've behaved yourself, you've done your best to be a good person. Hang on, I'm putting myself in a bad light here. No, let me rewind it. No, I wasn't a bad person. Anyway, it's telling everyone that the parent is so happy with their child. They're going to a certain age where they've done their best growing up to 21, and then they give them this 21 key to say, now you're free. You're free to go do whatever you want. Go and get married. Go and have your children. You can move out. But with these days rent, only the kids that want to escape from home, they will leave rude, or they just stay home and help their parents with the bills. Gosh, rude. And if you're like, well, what ailing or for so swanging my going or be. Man, okay, guy. Come in for beer. Oh, she goes to water. Nah, guys, my kids can afford their rent out there. Go, look for your rent, pay your rent. Don't ring home and say, Mom, you got this, Mom, you got that, Dad, you got this, Mom, can you do this? Let's, pull at your hair, but you still do it because you're a parent. You know what? They should sign a contract. Say, do not ask. You got your own money, go make your own money. Oh yeah. I mean, I wouldn't mind transferring them some money. Like, they left their wallet accidentally at home, and they need to catch their taxi. Stuff like that. But, when you can just wait for tomorrow, get money, so you can go and eat out. Anyway, I think I got good kids. There was one that played up last night, got naughty, and I've got to talk to him. I've got to talk to him because he was out of line, and he's just lucky my fussy days are over. Otherwise, he would have get fussy balassi and kung fu ninja. But these days, it's all about old age. Old age, arthritis, bones. Yeah, mess up there, Anyway, guys, it's been good hanging out with you, having a little chat. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Thank you, Chris's Cafe. Thank you to the... I'll get the address. So, it's over the bridge, Old Mount Druitt, near the crossing. No, it's not near the crossing. There's a... It's just... Anyway, I'll get the address and I'll tell you guys where to go. But if you know Old Mount Druitt, go over Old Mount Druitt. There's a lane. There's a four-way lane, like crisscross. Okay, and right here on the corner, there's a pizza place. Right next door to the pizza place, guys. That's where they don't open on Mondays and Tuesdays though. But they open all the other days. And you know what I said when I was talking about? Because my niece had her birthday last night, and usually people have their birthdays like Saturdays. She had hers on Friday. So, when I was walking out with my food, there was this nice looking guy there. And then I was fear of the lay, right? And I go to the shopkeeper, not to the guy. No, let's get it right. Walking out with my food, I go to the Indian man. Yeah, bye. Have a good Sunday. And they said, no, today is Saturday. And I said, what? And I thought, a bit forward. I'm a bit too early in my days, guys. Bit advanced, Bit advanced. Never got advanced in my knocker stuff, but never mind. Hey! Okay. Kare so whawhon manu uko reka haka. You guys all take care. Thank you so much for supporting places that I mention on my videos, and I show you my food from there. Oh, you guys are champs. Champ, spot on. But Faye love it. They appreciate it. Seeing our people, Maoris, Tongans, Fijians, whatever. We are all one. We are all one, guys. God made Adam and Eve, which born all of us. All of us is a big tree of life. We were secular, yeah, so, yeah, I just go far. Rude. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. Okay, take care, okay? I'm going to now go inside, watch Elvis. My husband, oh my gosh. I said to him, put on a movie for my mom because I'm going to go and do my mukbang, okay? Please. I was walking out and I hear Elvis song. I think, this man, he thinks he's Elvis, I'll tell you. Him and my dad and my brother Jack, they all think they're Elvis. Whenever Elvis' song comes on, you see the excitement in their face, like they just entered the concert of Elvis. And then you see their foot. I don't know what my mum likes. She only loves church songs. Anyway. Yeah. Oh, look. Thanks for hanging out with me. You guys are so awesome. Don't forget. And thank you so much for leaving me comments. It's like I already know you guys, you know. That's how I feel. I just pretend. Some people, I can't see your pictures, so I just pretend I know what you look like, you know. Hey, I appreciate it. Appreciate all your fellas comment, all your fellas views, and all your fellas support for all this food shops that I show you guys. You guys are number uno. Anyway, guys, you guys all take care. Wailua. Yeah, kakoi meat for this game. Oh, guys, I bought something that I'm gonna cook for you. Okay, fast serve what? Never forget to give thanks to the good Lord, guys, because without God, excuse my burp. Did you see? I was talking about God, and a burp came along, and you know who's doing that? Satan. Okay, you guys take care. Fast serve what? Be careful when you cross the road, and love each other. Wailua.